Hi guys, I'm back and today I'm going to make this pumpkin. So I'm going to use this four colors. These are the two colors. I don't need gray and I don't need gray, but I don't need black. So I think I'm going to make the pizza cat eyes in yellow and his body in blue and his nose in white. Oops, fun. I think I'm just going to keep. So I'm going to make this pumpkin. It's not heavy at all. So I'm going to keep this colors. I'm going to paint. Beep. Oh, sure. This bigger this is going to make it fast. Time blocks. Okay.